Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use BrickLink Studio. First, download and install the free software from the official BrickLink website. Once installed, launch the application to begin your creative journey. You will be greeted by the main interface, ready for you to start building. This powerful tool allows you to design and visualize your LEGO creations with ease, offering a vast array of virtual bricks at your fingertips. Now, let's start building. Open a new project and navigate to the parts palette on the left. You'll find tens of thousands of different elements categorized for easy access. Simply drag and drop your desired bricks onto the building area. Use the intuitive rotation and movement tools to perfectly align each piece. The software automatically snaps bricks together, making the building process smooth and enjoyable, just like real LEGO. Beyond basic building, Studio offers powerful advanced features. Easily change the color of any brick using the comprehensive color palette, which includes over 100 official LEGO colors. Group multiple bricks to move them efficiently, or create submodels for intricate sections. Once your masterpiece is complete, use the rendering tools to produce stunning, photorealistic images. You can even customize lighting and backgrounds for a professional look. Finally, let's prepare your design for sharing or physical construction. Studio can automatically generate professional, step-by-step building instructions for your model. You have full control over camera angles and instruction layout. Once satisfied, export your parts list directly to a BrickLink wanted list. This allows you to easily find and purchase all the necessary bricks from sellers worldwide, bringing your virtual creation to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.